Hi everyone, today we are going to be transplanting our strawberries, our potted porch strawberries, to our crates. Stick around, find out and see how we did this. So I got these little cocoa liners from Lowe's and they cost me about a good maybe $3 and some change each. And I'm going to stick these, that's my daughter right there. I'm going to stick these in our crates that we got. I also got these right here from Lowe's and they're about $9 each. So I will, at the end of the video, I'll tell you how much everything came up. It's pretty affordable. So now I am going to our potted porch transplanted strawberries. And this one's looking really good after transplant. You can check out our short on the transplant that I did a couple weeks ago. But these will be going on our towers. Crate towers. Daughter is carrying our porch strawberry down to our crates. Just going to place it right over here. And this is going to be a fun little project for the kids.
We're going to put our cocoa mesh in the milk crate down at the bottom.
So we are going to start off with our first layer. And we have 4 crates here. And we're going to pack them all with our cocoa liners. And we have all 4 ready for filling with our organic soil. And you want to get a mushroom compost, something that's highly, it has more compost in it, more feed for the strawberries. We are my daughter's adding the soil to the bottom layer of our strawberry milk towers. I'm going to speed this up a little bit and we'll show you how the first one is planted and done. We are on our 3rd crate. Fill it in. Now here comes the quick and easy part where we're transplanting all of our porch potted strawberries. So here we have our potted strawberry. And we're going to put this, we're going to take it out. We're going to gently take this out. You'll see how good the soil looks. It looks pretty good. And we're going to kind of place this as far as possible to the end. So we're going to put this as deep as possible, like a little towards the end. I like to put it towards the edge a little bit. So when we put our crate on top of it, it won't crush the, and I'm saving my little strawberry right here. Let me see if you can see it right there. First strawberry, and that's crate number 1. So we are on to our second one, and although the leaves are a little bit brown, that's okay. You can just, I kind of like just pinch them off sometimes. I'll just leave it. It'll be all right. I know it's tempting to get them off, but it's normal for them to brown a little bit, especially being transplanted. I transplanted these like 2 times. First they were uprooted and then they were transplanted to the porch, and now they're being transplanted again. So they're gonna go through a little bit of trauma, but it's gonna be all right, inshallah.
Crate number 1 and crate number 2.
We have our 3rd transplant, and hopefully after transplant and getting a little acclimated to the soil, this one will perk up a little bit more. Like I said, strawberries aren't really tolerable when it comes to transplant, but I'm hoping that this last transplant will do them pretty good. You have to record that. So now we're on to our last transplant. This one is going to be our bottom strawberry right here, and the kids will stack them all up and let y'all see how it seeds, and hopefully when it grows they'll be full and we get lots and lots of strawberries. Now we're going to stack our crates. This is crate number 1 and our garden is fenced.
Crate number 2. Crate number 3. And crate number 4.
And there we have our crated, transplanted strawberries.
You can see
you can see them. And don't worry about the sun. The sun would definitely get to them with all these holes in it. And when you water them, I generally water them from the top.
Let's see through. And water all the.
And here we have our strawberry crate 4-layer garden. And don't worry about the sun getting to it. The sun goes through all these little holes in the crates. And you can see them. Now my daughter's going to water our towers, strawberry towers. And you're going to water each crate. And we hope to keep you all posted on how everything is going with our strawberry towers. And we just wanted to show you all the potato towers that we planted about 10 weeks ago. And they're looking good. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. And we can't wait to keep you posted on how the strawberries are doing. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will not miss any updates and more garden tips and videos.